Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the modem is online and your ISP account is active. This prevents authentication delays. Next, connect the Smart Bro home router to the modem using a gigabit Ethernet cable in the WAN port. Plug the router into power and wait 60 to 90 seconds until LEDs stabilize. This ensures firmware initializes. Once done, check LED patterns for internet and Wi-Fi. If lights flash, give it one more minute. Make sure your device has Wi-Fi enabled before proceeding to configuration. Open a browser on a connected device and go to 192, 168, 1, or router. Local, this opens the admin interface. Log in with the default credentials printed on the router label, then immediately change the admin password to a strong one. This prevents unauthorized access. Configure your Wi-Fi SSID and select WPA2 or WPA3 security, set a robust passphrase, and ensure DHCP is enabled so devices receive IPs automatically. Save settings and allow the router to apply changes. Reconnect your device to the new SSID. After configuration, run a speed test on 2 devices to verify throughput and latency. This confirms proper routing. Check that firmware is up to date. If not, update now and enable automatic updates so security patches install. If you encounter no internet, reboot the modem first, then the router, because the modem often needs to reassign the public IP. If problems persist, confirm WAN settings, match your ISP requirements, and recheck Ethernet connections. This single troubleshooting step resolves most connectivity failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.